All right, what's up, guys? About to get a workout in with my sister's boyfriend, Ish.
What's up?
We got Andrew just chilling back here.
Hi.
We got some pre-workout going. He's on lit right now.
Yeah.
I'm back on that ghost. I'm excited to go hit it with him.
Yeah, let's do
We'll
it.
see what he got. All right, we're excited. You ready, bro?
I'm ready. I haven't been to the gym in a while.
All right, we're taking separate cars because he doesn't know if he can hang for 2 hours. All right, so this is my gym right here. And then this is Taco Bell drive-thru right there. And then we got Pizza Hut right over there. It's a lot of temptations. It's like
a lot of healthy food out here.
yeah. Today we're hitting, we're doing chest, shoulders, and some cardio. So it's gonna be a big day. It's gonna be a long workout.
Oh boy.
Let's get it. Cardio first. All right, after 15 minutes on the bike, now I'm hitting some Stairmaster. Whew, already getting pretty tired. Ish is out here sticking with the elliptical. Whew, I just want to get the chest.
Boy.
Yo, that was an intense cardio session. You tired?
I'm good. I'm ready for some.
I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm dripping like ridiculously. Shoot, just dripping like. Easy money. Yo, this dude's always doing business. Taking a business call right now. Always putting in some work.
I believe I sent you the financial statement for it. So,
Yo, mad respect. All right, that's it. How's it feel? How's your chest feel? Yeah, all right, you feeling? Yeah, you looking big.
Good. Looking big.
No, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Yeah,
All right, hopefully y'all enjoyed that chest workout. Go kill it like me and Ish. Yeah, we're feeling good right now.
White bod ready, bro.
Hell yeah, Hawaii bod. Let's get it.